And I just feel put food on the bird feeders and look like they are coming back. This is a black bird that I don't know the name of this one, but there's like 10 on this tree. Some of them fly away. There's more that coming back. And I don't know if you can see way down there on that tree. There's more blackbirds. Like I say, I don't know the real name of that one. Yeah. They love being down here in the yard because we feed them every day. We also had what you call sparrows and cardinals. You see one right there. The red one is a cardinal. And there's another cardinal right there. Pretty red color. They all take turns down there and come and eat. See, I put a food I put food on that feeder. Then I put food on that pot. I'm sorry I can't stay still because my arms get tired. But it's pretty nice down here. Come and sit down here with the dogs and feed the birds and come and sit on a chair and record them. See, the other ones still down there in that tree. And then here on top, on this other tree, there's still more.